Before DBMS came into the picture, data was stored using file-based system. But thus data has some serious limitations. In this video, we will break down 7 major problems with clear definition and real-life example. So, first one is, what is file-based system? File-based system were the early method of storing data using separate files like text file and spreadsheet. Each application had its own file. There was no centralized control, and that led to a lot of issues. Let's now explore the 7 major problems that made file system inefficient and outdated. So first one is data redundancy and inconsistency. Redundancy means same data is stored in many places, and inconsistency means thus copies doesn't match. For example, a student phone number is saved in both the libraries and hostel system. If you update just one, the other become outdated. Now, second one is difficulty in accessing data. File system doesn't use query languages. You can't just run a search and you have to go through every file for accessing data. Want to find all the employees who join after 2020, you will have to open and check each file manually. Now third problem is data isolation. When data is stored in multiple files with different formats, it's hard to combine or analyze. For example, customer data is in one file and orders in another. Now if you want to know who spent over 10,000 rupees, you are stuck. Fourth problem is integrity. Data integrity means keeping data correct and reliable using rules. But in file-based system, there are no checks. Someone can enter age is equal to -10 or a phone number like ABC and 123, and it will accept it. And fifth one is atomicity problem. A transaction must either complete fully or not at all. That's atomicity. For the example, while transforming 500 rupees, it's get deducted from one account but not added to other. That's risky. Now sixth problem is concurrency access anomalies. When multiple users access or update data together without control, conflicts can happen. For the example, one person adds 5 items, another remove 3, but there is no coordination. Final stock completely wrong. Now seventh problem is security problem. File system doesn't have access control. Anyone can see or change the data. For the example, even salary files or student result. If you have a folder access, you can open it, and that's huge privacy risk. Now, why we use DBMS? So clearly file-based system has major flaws. That's why DBMS was introduced, to solve all this with better speed, accuracy, security and control. For more such videos, please check the description below. Thanks for watching.